I've always used the saying, know your why, and that's for everything that we do in life. You know, I'm here to not only provide for my family onshore, but I'm here to provide for my family on anchor. We're working to safely deliver energy that can power the lives of all our families back home, and that's our shared purpose. The work that we're doing today here in producing energy is enabling and empowering the lives of the people of the world. Anchor is expected to produce up to 75,000 barrels of oil a day from the Gulf of Mexico. The Anchor project is a part of Chevron's goal to produce 300,000 barrels of oil per day of affordable and reliable energy here in the Gulf of Mexico, which produces some of the lowest carbon intensity barrels in the industry. As offshore installation manager, my main responsibility is for the health, welfare, and the safety of the people on board. Wanted to make sure that we establish what we call a culture that leaves a legacy. What can be achieved when that many people really function as one? At Chevron, we truly value, what we call human energy. When I really step back and look at the magnitude of what we are doing, the challenges that we've overcome, that's truly what makes me proud.